Good job.
Step down.
Good bird.
Step down.
Lemon. Lemon, come. Come on, buddy. Good bird. Good job. There we go. Good bird.
Good girl. Good girl. Uh-oh. So it means he's really tied to this.
Good girl. Oh, here it goes.
It's like I'm not far.
Coco. Good girl. Good girl, Coco. Coco, come. Nope, not that. Good girl. Good girl, Coco.
Want to take off?
Coco. Coco. Good girl. Coco.
Crash landing.
Crash landing.
Out of shape.
It's okay. She hasn't been out.
Out of shape.
Good job. You want to go get Coco? You want to go get Coco? Come on. You want to go get Coco as well? Go land over there with her. Might as well fly. Get muscles. All you got to do is practice, buddy.
Well,
Let it be in the air.
a lot different than last time she was out here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Kingsley's gonna go. Kingsley's on his way to get somebody.
She was flying distances like she's been flying every day her whole life. The last time we were here, now she's like,
Well, maybe Kingsley's gonna go get her. Go get Coco.
Coco!
Kingsley's nice. Good boy. Yeah. You
Coco!
And they wouldn't eat them.
Yeah, you know what? Kingsley doesn't like hazelnuts. But in the shell? Yes. Does he like them in the shell?
I mean, I haven't tried.
I haven't.
Well, I'm not giving it to
No,
him
but
now.
just like
That's for
this.
later.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. I'll give it a shot.
That's so Kim.
He doesn't like Brazilian nuts either.
Oh my God, I'll give these guys
if I have it in the shell,
Okay.
he hates pecans. But if I have it in the shell, I don't know why he doesn't like pecans.
Shells, I mean, I've not been buying nuts in the shell. Too much cleanup, you know?
I know, but it's
But, I know, but yeah, it's worth
They
the
love it
cleanup because they love it.
he just throws my nuts.
Huh.
Leaves them. Kingsley,
Oh, yeah. Yes, okay.
who's this?
Want it.
It's Khalil.
Echo, want some? Echo, you want some? Oh, it's okay, kids. Soon. Thanks for coming in. Done for the day? Huh? Thanks for coming in. So we get out of here today?
Kingsley,
Pretty soon, kids.
want a treat?
Coco? Wanna try again, Coco?
Want a treat? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
There you go. Come on.
You're late. Ava.
Come.
Ava.
Good girl. Get him, kitty.
What,
What?
honey?
Honey? No, I need to win, man. This is
Woohoo!
making him work.
Come on, Eva.
Over here.
Good girl.
Boy.
Hey, Coco.
Coco.
Good girl. Hey, Coco. Coco, Coco.
Echo, you want some? You want some? You flapping? You want some? You want that? Huh?
Hey, Coco. With me?
You want some?
Good boy.
Wings. Wings. Good bird. Wings. Wings.
gosh.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Good boy. Good boy, Pablo.
Kingsley.
Maybe he wants to say hello. He's coming to say hello or something. Maybe that's coming.
Good boy.
Pablo's coming.
Going to get Emma.
Good boy.
Going to get Emma.
Oh my gosh.
Is that Kingsley?
Going to get Emma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's turning around.
Going to get Emma.
Yeah, he's not going anywhere. I really doubt he'll ever go anywhere.
Everybody, oh, Coco, don't.
Good boy.
Don't use that as an example.
He didn't like the
That's what you
Good boy, buddy.
Good bird. Good bird, baby. Calling.
got, man.
Good job, Kingsley. Woohoo!
Boy. Super.
That was one hell of a flight.
It must have been Emma that drew him that far.
Yeah, I suspect.
Just checking in on her, make sure she's okay.
You not tired?
Just checking in on her.
Not a huff and a puff. I think it.
Well, that bird. Kings? Good flight, Kings. What the heck?
You're not tired either?
Never. He's never called. Now, poor secret.
Pickle.
Yeah, he's a big boy.
Come on. Coco. Come on.
Look at him.
Come on. Hey, Coco. Come on. Come on.
Good job. He made it.